Hello, welcome to Luxury Life, where we talk about the secrets of millionaires, understand their rich and lavish lifestyles, and even get a glimpse of the most expensive things on earth. At Luxury Life, we try to empower and inspire you so you can be a millionaire too. If you enjoy watching our videos, feel free to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you get updated whenever we upload new videos. In today's video, we're gonna share with you the life of the renowned best-selling author, Grant Cardone. If you are into these kinds of videos, then keep on watching. Grant Cardone is a sales trainer, speaker, and entrepreneur who has worked in real estate and the car business. He is the best-selling author of the 10X Rule. If you're not first, you are last. Grant Cardone is a multi-family real estate magnate who developed his $5 billion empire from the ground up. Furthermore, Forbes magazine named him the top marketer to watch in 2017. Grant Cardone is the CEO of the Cardone Enterprises and Cardone Capital, as well as the author of the 10X Rule and the inventor of 21 Blockbuster Business Program. He owns and controls 7 privately owned companies and a $3.6 billion portfolio of multifamily building. Cardone, who was named the world's #1 marketer by Forbes magazine, is also the originator of the 10X movement and the 10X Growth Conference, the world's largest business and entrepreneur conference. Grant Cardone's net worth is estimated to be $300 million as of 2021, at the age of 63. His climb to money and fame was fraught with difficulties, but his determination and dedication to a closing transaction allowed him to become the business powerhouse he is today. According to Grant Cardone, he grew up poor. He was born on March 21, 1958 in Lake Charles, Louisiana, to 4 siblings, one of which being his identical twin brother, Gary. When he was 10, he lost his father, which set off a chain reaction of bad conduct. Grant admits that once his father died, he no longer had a male figure to look up to. He acknowledges that he had folks that were either equal to or less than him. Grant's life as an adolescent does not resemble the adult he ultimately became. His adolescence was blighted by drug and alcohol use. Grant graduated from high school despite being in and out of school owing to detention and suspensions. Later in 1981, he graduated from McNeese State University. Grant would subsequently receive McNeese Distinguished Alumnus Award in 2010. Grant Cardone began his career in sales after graduating from college. He resided in Houston, Texas, La Jolla, California, and Los Angeles, California. During this period, he acquired a serious drug addiction, prompting him to enter rehab. Grant got a fresh lease on life after leaving rehab at the age of 25. He despised his sales job, but he despised being broke even more. He also understood that having that work kept him occupied and focused, leaving no time for narcotics. Within the next 5 years, Grant became a billionaire while working as a car salesperson and investing in real estate on the side. While working as a car salesperson, Grant Cardone purchased his first property, a single-family home in Houston. They quit after 7 months of renting. Grant Cardone's money ran out. This would be his first real estate lesson. He never intended to rely on a single renter for revenue or cash flow. He determined 5 years later that his next project would be a multi-family development in San Diego. He acquired his second multi-family property a month after his first. His plan was to utilize the proceeds from the first 2 to fund the third. Grant continued to employ this method, gradually acquiring more and more land. Grant Cardone's business was believed to have made the greatest private party acquisition in Florida by 2012, particularly in a multi-family property. He now owns 4,500 flats. Grant Cardone is married to Elena Lyons, a Spanish actress and model. Scarlett and Sabrina Cardone, their 2 kids, reside with them in sunny Isles Beach, Florida. Grant Cardone is well known for being a family man. When asked how he finds time for everything, he always starts with his family. It's clear that he is aware that his inquiry is aimed at his time with his family, in addition to all of these obligations distributed throughout all of his enterprise. Grant Cardone's net worth skyrocketed, yet he came from modest roots. His carefree approach to buying and selling reflects his lovely background. He may have been held back by tragedy followed by difficulties, but that didn't stop him from achieving his goals. And that's it for today's video. We hope you liked what you watched. Feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you get updated whenever we post new videos. Luxury Life is on Facebook too. Don't forget to follow and like our official Facebook page. See you in our next video.